This is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. I'm so happy you're here with me today. This morning, we're going to do a side bloom. It's an 8x10 canvas. These three are all custom colors. I had leftover colors, so I just kind of mixed them together. And then this one is by Master's Touch Chrome Oxide Green. And then we have Viridian Green. So those are for the stem and leaf, and these are for the flower. So today, let me open these up. Today I'm using what I have of Gliddens Essentials pillow paint. My next, it's semi-gloss. I'm not sure if I like the pillow paint itself. We'll see how it works with this. Yesterday I was using it with a swipe and found it kind of sticky. But let's put on some paint for our colors to rest on. Let's do it this way. All right. Okay, first, let's see. What color do I want to start with first? I'm going to start with this beautiful pink with a little orange kind of tinge to it. I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm going to do it right here. And next, I'm going to use this beautiful, like, burgundy color, wine color. And then I have this pretty pink. Okay. I'm going to put my Chrome Oxide right at the bottom here. And then our Veridian Green also. A little bit there. Okay, so for my cell activator, I'm going to be using Prussian Blue mixed with Australian Floral. I'm going to put it kind of down, a little bit down here. All right. I'm not sure what, there was something on the tip of that. We're going to use our small little blow dryer since this is a small painting. Okay, guys, here we go. Okay. Just adding a little bit more down here. Gentle blowing with this, it makes it very gentle. And it usually doesn't dig into the pillow paint. All right. Let's get rid of this little one here, and let me see if any more want to come up. Sometimes it takes a while for them to come up. I must say, with this Gliddens Essentials pillow paint, I do seem to be getting more and more of these bubbles where the pillow paint comes up from below. So I'll probably try a different can next time. But for now, let's do a little bit of, let's see, let's just put a little bit more there, right there. Let's see, I'm gonna go here first. That's pretty. Get a napkin, always wipe your skewer. There we go. And something little. Clean that up a little. Okay, now let's see. Sometimes you can see it's kind of obvious where you want to place your Okay, let me back up a little bit on this. And you can just kind of gently dab it a little. Oh well. All right, that's better. Okay, now I must say this, the side bloom, if you're new to blooms, give it a try because it's easier to do, I find, at least in my opinion, than you only got a half of a bloom to really deal with, and I find it just much easier, and it's really pretty. Okay, that blue cell activator made some purple. Don't know if I wanted that, but let's spin this out. Let me scoot it over a little and scoot you over here. Let's get you to the four corners. All right, scoot over just a little bit. That looks good. And we're gonna spin this out. You know, there's one thing, I think, before I spin out any more. That was a big ol' that came up here. Do it like that. And just kind of make it like the other side. All right. That's pretty. Let's scoot it over a little bit this way. And we do have to take care of a few more dots that have popped up. That's pretty. I was sorry I had to, but I made something to do out of it. Those white dots. Hopefully no more will pop up when it's drying. There we go. Okay, I think for my next one, I'm going to open up a different can of paint. I'm sorry that the PPG, the old one, had to leave, but I'm going to try again the new Gliddens Multi-Pro. See if it's similar. Okay, my friends, I'll get you down for a close-up, and we'll try again, and I think I'll add some yellow to it, and we'll see what color that will make. Okay, my friends. Enjoy.